Hi, so we're going to start by looking at primitive types. Data comes in all sorts of shapes and sizes. When we say a data type, we are referring to the type of a specific value. In our day-to-day language use, we use words and numbers for different purposes. For example, when you post a letter, on the envelope, you'll write an address, which for the most part will be made up of words. On the other hand, when you make a phone call, you're more likely to use a set of numbers. In programming, it's no different. There's just a few more categories which the data types are split into, but essentially, a data type defines how we will use the data in our code, and they are the core essential options for representing data. Some languages make you specify in advance the type of the data when you are using it, but JavaScript is what's known as a loosely typed and dynamic language, which means you don't have to do this, because JavaScript will figure this out itself when it runs. In JavaScript, we refer to these most basic data types as primitive types. And there are 7 of these, which are as follows. Number, so how we represent numerical values. Boolean, true or false. String, which is a set of characters. Null, and undefined. There are also symbol and big int. These aren't as common and are a bit more advanced topics, so they're out of the scope of this course.